Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the change history for your Microsoft Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the change history for your Microsoft Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different contractors or assistants, and maybe you need to check the change history in your Microsoft Ads account to make sure it was done correctly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Ads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check the change history in your account, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you're going to see this menu, and you want to look towards the bottom and you're going to see change history. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the recent changes within the past 6 months for your Microsoft Ads account. Now they do let you know if you've recently made any changes to your Microsoft Ads account within the last hour. It may not show up here. So if it's not showing up yet, be sure to check back within the So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find the change history for your Microsoft Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.